May 11, 1929. On this date, Dr. Annie Webb Blanton, Texas State Supervisor for Instruction, and 11 other women educators established the Delta Kappa Gamma Society in Austin, Texas, to benefit women educators who were constrained professionally and socially. At that time, women educators were often passed over for promotions, scholarships, or leadership roles, even though they met the same qualifications as their male counterparts. Also, gatherings of women for any reason except social were suspect. That's the reason the society has a Greek name, to protect members from community criticism. In the 1930s, the United States had 123 million people in 48 states. The average salary was $1,300 a year. Unemployment rates were at 25%. Milk cost 14 cents a quart. This was the United States at the depth of the Great Depression. The decade was a perilous time for public education. With easy money in short supply, parents were unable to provide their children with clothes or supplies necessary to attend school. School terms were shortened. Teachers' salaries were cut. At least one new teacher was paid $40 a month for a 5-month school year, and she was glad for the job. Women teachers had to quit their jobs if they married. Dr. Blanton and other founders traveled the country to meet with leading women educators and to establish state organizations and chapters that would give leadership training as well as professional and emotional support. Early DKG members were drawn from many kinds of educational work, many who were prominent in their field and had the ability to assist other women who aspired to leadership in education. Between 1931 and May 1939, these committed members founded 35 state organizations. To encourage women to maintain their membership during the Depression, Dr. Blanton wrote letters telling them that they would not regret it when the hard times passed, and she suggested that they make membership pins using red ribbon and gold safety pins, and she sent them the directions. National presidents of this decade were Dr. Annie Webb Blanton, Texas, 1929 to 1933, Norma Smith Bristow Salter, Alabama, 1933 to 1936, Mamie Sue Bastian, Texas, 1936 to 1938, and Dr. Macy K. Southall, Tennessee, 1938 to 1940. DKG celebrates those undaunted women who changed education and educators, and whose foresight has continued to guide women educators for 100 years.